Keep yourself updated. Subscribe to Vedanta and click bell icon.
My dear friends, welcome. In this video, we are going to understand that how to work with the sheets, right? And you may see that there is a sheet which is named as orders, and this is sheet 2 or sheet 4. If you want to add a new sheet into the current, now what is the current Excel file name? That is filters 2, right? Control plus yes, save. And if you want to add in this is called as actually workbook. In this workbook we have sheets, that is sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, and here sheet 1 is named as orders. If you want to add a new sheets, press shift plus F11. What is that? Shift plus F11. So this is how we add a new sheets, correct? Yes. And if you want to rename the sheet, simply right click on it and click on rename, or else you also can directly double click on the name and write down here January, again right click, Feb. So like that you also can rename them. And if you want to hide, for example, now I would like to hide orders, I don't want to view it, so simply right click on it and click on hide. Automatically those orders data has been hidden. Now I'm going to open February, right click and again hide. So now we have hidden orders sheet and also February sheet. If you want to unhide them on any sheet name, you simply right click and click on unhide. So whenever you click on unhide, a dialog box will be opened by showing the total list of hidden sheets. Out of all these sheets, I'm going to unhide orders, then select orders, then click on OK. Now we can access the order sheet. Now we discussed that how to delete a sheet. If you want to delete a sheet, simply, what is the name here? Filters 2, correct? Yes, in that filter 2 Excel workbook, we are going to delete a January. So simply select a January and right click and click on delete. And now this data has been permanently is going to be deleted. Once the data is deleted, we cannot access the data again. So just confirm before deleting. Yes. So the data of January has been permanently deleted. Is it clear? Right. And if you want to color, if you want to, now it is highly difficult to understand, all are having the same color. For example, this is once again I'm going to rename them as I'm just giving the same name, January and February, and this is already taken. Okay, March, and this is April, and this is May. And if you like to give a color to the tab of these, so simply right click and give a tab color is a red, and this is January, right click, tab color is a black, and right click, tab color is blue. So this is how we may color the sheet tabs as well. And now we are going to work one more thing, how to copy a whole data. See, the people used to do, for example, if they have any important data in this, they would like to keep this data in another workbook. What is the current workbook name? Current workbook name is that filters 2, right? And what they used to do, they open one more Excel. They open one more Excel. So here I have opened totally 2 Excel files. This is book 1 and earlier we have that filters 2. In filters 2, for example, I have a sheet which is known as orders. In that sheet I have some important data. So what they used to do means, they used to copy, they used to select the whole sheet first by right clicking on, and then simply they click right click, they copy the whole data and they open the new workbook manually, and there they are going to paste the data manually. It takes a longer time, so you don't do all this case. Simply close this. So wherever you are, You don't do all this stuff. Simply right click on the tab header, that is orders, and simply right click on orders and click on move or copy. There I am going to select as, see here, I am going to select to workbook. In the place of to workbook, select new workbook. Select a new workbook. In that, after one selecting new workbook, you need to see, we are not going to move the orders. I would like to get the data of orders in this existing cell. At the same time, I would like to create a new workbook. I would like to see the data in two Excel workbooks. So here, create a copy, then OK. That means the book 2 has been created. It is available in book 2. The sheet is orders 2. At the same time, it is also available in filters 2, that is order. That means here we are creating a copy. We are not completely moving it. So yes, I will show even that too as well. So I am going to close this book 2. Don't save. See, now we are in filters 2, right? So right click on orders and this time move or copy, and here I'm selecting a new workbook. If you do not check this create copy option, if you do not check out this, if you directly click on OK, you may see that now the orders is available in book 3 but not available in filter. That means this time it has been completely moved from where? From filters Excel workbook to the new workbook. So it is your choice whether you like to create a copy or not. Correct? So this is how we work with the Excel worksheet. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Keep yourself updated. Subscribe to Vedanta and click bell icon.